uCertify offers Cisco CCNA routing and switching certification prep for entry-level network engineers. So, start your prep for Cisco CCNA routing and switching certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a Cisco CCNA routing and switching certified professional, you'll have to pass 200-125 exam. It covers installing, configuring, operating, and troubleshooting network fundamentals, LAN, WAN, IPv4 and IPv6 technologies, performing operations on infrastructure services, security, and maintenance. In the uCertify course, you'll be receiving 251 practice questions and 8,706 hours of online content. It includes 91 lessons with interactive learning resources, such as over 915 flashcards, 361 quizzes, and 915 exhaustive terms. The course has 2 sets of practice tests, 16 video tutorials, and more than 16 performance-based labs. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you'll gain competency in the following domains: network fundamentals, LAN switching technologies, IPv4 and IPv6 routing technologies, WAN technologies, infrastructure services, infrastructure security, infrastructure maintenance. To explore more about the uCertify titles and the features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/cisco/CCNA-200-125 complete. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.